So the act of sparagmus is the act of tearing apart an animal, or as we learned earlier, a human, was another thing that Maenads were said to have done. This is not meaning that they literally ate raw meat. A lot of this is symbolism. It is symbolism connecting us to our more primal states, to a wild animal versus being humanized or being in a civilized society. Whereas animals would be in the woods, they would hunt, and that's how these animals would eat. They would, especially predators, they would tear apart animals and eat them. Hold on one second. I got a cough. But this is not a literal thing. There's not really any archaeological evidence that they actually did this. It mainly is they sacrificed the animal and symbolically consumed the meat in a different way, but they left some as an offering to Dionysus. And the raw flesh eating part would be more associated with Dionysus himself. And the Maenads or the devotees of Dionysus would participate in other means, whether it be cooking the animal and eating it in celebration, or eating something else entirely, or just consuming alcohol and becoming intoxicated and going into a frenzy where a lot of times it was dancing, it was orgies. He's heavily associated with sex, sexuality, fertility, and like I said, mainly with celebration, just enjoying life and enjoying the time that you have as a human instead of worrying about how you look to the rest of society.